So once I realized how powerful, authentic, simple, authentic videos could be, I started using them for new positions all the time. That's when things really started to change. So today I'm going to break down exactly how you can start turning any job description into an engaging video that gets noticed. It's going to build trust and attract better candidates, all in 4 simple steps. Most people think that a job description is enough, right? But online, attention is everything, and a written post alone just blends in. So instead of thinking, I'm posting a job, start thinking, I'm
offering you an opportunity, Richard.
A video gives energy and tone and personality, things that text, they can't show. It lets people feel what it's like to work with you before they even apply. And don't worry, you definitely don't need any fancy gear or a full-time production team. We'll cover that here soon. Step number 2, use the job description as your script, not your crutch. Here's where most people get stuck. They stare at the job posting and then they freeze up. But your job description is already a great start. It's an outline. You just need to make it more conversational. So take those main points, the responsibilities, the skills, and your culture, and then turn them into spoken sentences that feel like you're talking to a friend. For example, let's say you're saying, we're looking for a motivated team member who thrives in fast-paced environments. Something that you see on like every job ad. Say something like this instead. If you're looking to be part of a team that moves fast and gets things done, you're going to fit right in here. See the difference? Same message, just more human. Now, here's the secret that most people overlook. Your video isn't just about filling a role. It's about building trust before you ever meet this next hire. Online, the number one objection that people have isn't, is this job better than another? It's more like, can I trust this company? That's why your tone, your eye content, and authenticity, they matter more than perfection. When people see you, the real you, they're going to start believing you. Don't do them wrong. If you can help them imagine themselves within your story, they're going to apply because they're going to feel connected, not just apply because they saw the paycheck. That one's huge. Most businesses, they'll post one polished video because it's super expensive and they can't keep doing it, but they'll post one polished video and then they'll stop right there. But the magic is in the repetition. Every new video builds familiarity, credibility, and visibility. Remember this stat. 80% of hires happen after 5 to 12 touch points.
It's mind-blowing.
But only 8% of people ever follow through to the 5 to 12 touch points. Only 8% of people follow through that long. That means if you are creating videos consistently, you are already ahead of 92% of those who are creating videos or trying to hire online. Every new video is a handshake, a conversation, a new chance to get in front of the right person for them to say, hey, I want to work there. All right, so now you have the 4 steps. You have the formula. Speak like a person, not like a post. Show your culture, not your checklist. Build trust through video and stay consistent. Do this and you're going to stop chasing candidates. They're going to be chasing you. If this clicks for you and you want to learn exactly what to say on camera to attract top-tier applicants, then join me November 17th for a free webinar where I'll be walking you through step-by-step my full video recruiting system. You'll discover how to script your next hiring video, film it in under 10 minutes, and start bringing in qualified candidates immediately. And we will do that right there within the webinar. So save your free seat now.